Do you want to speak English? This is part 1 of a 4-part complete beginner course. In this video, you will learn 2 essential topics, greetings and numbers. By the end, you will know how to say hello to anyone and count all the way to 100 in English. Let us begin. Welcome, my name is Alex and I am so happy you are here. This course starts from absolute zero. You do not need any experience. All you need is to watch, listen, and repeat after me. That is the secret to learning English fast. Listen and repeat. Are you ready? Let us go. Module 1. Greetings. The first thing you learn in any language is how to say hello. In English, the most common greeting is hello. Hello. Say it with me. Hello. Good. A shorter, more casual greeting is hi. Hi. Hi is used with friends and people you know. Hello is more formal. You can use hello with strangers or in professional situations. There is one more very casual greeting. Hey. Hey. Hey is used between close friends. It is relaxed and friendly. So the 3 basic greetings are hello, hi, hey. Say them with me. Hello, hi, hey. Excellent. Now let us learn greetings for different times of the day. These are more formal and polite. In the morning, from sunrise to noon, we say, good morning, good morning. Say it with me. Good morning, beautiful. In the afternoon, from noon to about 6 in the evening, we say, good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon is polite and professional. In the evening, from about 6 until bedtime, we say good evening. Good evening. Good evening sounds elegant. At night, when someone is going to sleep, we say good night. Good night. Important, good night is not a greeting. It is a farewell. It means goodbye. Use it only when someone is going to sleep. Let us practice. I say a time. You say the greeting. Ready? 7 in the morning. What do you say? Good morning. 3 in the afternoon. What do you say? Good afternoon. 8 in the evening. What do you say? Good evening. You are doing amazing. Now let us learn how to ask, how are you? This is one of the most important phrases in English. How are you? How are you? How with me? How are you? When someone asks, how are you? The most common answer is, I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Say it. I am fine, thank you. Another common answer is, I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you. Very common in American English. A more formal answer is, very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. To be extra friendly, add an you at the end. I am fine, thank you, and you? I am fine, thank you, and you? This shows you care about the other person. Now let us learn how to introduce yourself. My name is, and then say your name. My name is Alex. My name is Alex. Try it. My name is, and say your name. You can also say, I am Alex. I am Alex. Shorter and very common. Both are correct. After you say your name, say nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. The other person says, nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Now let us practice a full conversation. Listen carefully. Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Hi, Alex. I am Maria. Nice to meet you too. How are you? I am fine. Thank you, and you? Very well, thank you. Let us repeat that slowly. Listen and repeat each line. Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Hi, Alex. I am Maria. Nice to meet you too. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. And you? Very well. Thank you. Now let us learn goodbyes. The standard goodbye is goodbye, goodbye. The short version is bye, bye. Very common, very friendly. See you later. See you later. Use this when you will meet the person again. See you soon. See you soon. You expect to see them very soon. Take care. Take care. A warm and friendly goodbye. One more essential phrase. Excuse me. Excuse me. Use this to get someone's attention. For example, excuse me, where is the bathroom? Or use it when you accidentally bump into someone. Module 1 review. Say these with me. Hello, hi, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? My name is. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. Bye. See you later. Take care. Excuse me. Excellent. Module 1 is done. Now let us move to Module 2. Module 2. Numbers 1 to 100. Numbers are everywhere. You need them every day. For shopping, for telling your age, for giving your phone number, for everything. Let us start with 1 to 10. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Say them all with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 11 to 20. Pay attention, these are special words. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13. Notice the teen ending. 13. 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Say them with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let us learn the tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These are the building blocks for all bigger numbers. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100. 100. Here's the magic rule. To say any number from 21 to 99, you say the 10 first, then the 1 with a hyphen. For example, 21, 20 plus 1, 21. 34, 30 plus 4, 34, 34. 47, 40 plus 7, 47, 47. 59, 50 plus 9, 59, 59. 63, 60 plus 3, 63, 63. 78, 70 plus 8, 78. 85, 80 plus 5, 85, 85. 92, 90 plus 2, 92, 92. That is the pattern, 10 plus 1. Very simple, very logical. Now let us use numbers in real sentences. I am 28 years old. I am 28 years old. Say it with your age. Go ahead. There are 40 students in my class. There are 40 students in my class. The price is $65. The price is $65. My phone number is 555-123. For phone numbers, say each digit separately. Now I will test you. What number do you see? I say the number. You say it back. 33, 33. 56, 56, 81, 81, 97, 97, 100, 100. You did it! You know all the numbers from 1 to 100. Let me give you one more tip. Practice counting every single day. Count the things around you. Count to 30 while you brush your teeth. Count the steps on the stairs. The more you repeat, the more natural it feels. Module 2 review. Say the numbers with me one more time. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The teens. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Amazing work. You just completed part 1 of the English Beginners course. You now know how to greet people in English and count to 100. In Part 2, you will learn colors, adjectives, and family vocabulary. Click on Part 2 right now and keep going. The faster you continue, the faster you will learn. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Learn Languages. Like this video to help other beginners find it. And write a comment in English. Write your name and where you are from. I read every comment. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. See you in Part 2. Goodbye.